Hey there, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors doing a quick comparison video for Sierra. She asked for a comparison with Lumberjack versus Barnwood. The Lumberjack is found in our SPC014 SKU code on our website, and then the Barnwood is found under our SPC009 on our website. Now, as you can see, I've got just a few planks propped up, and I have really good daylight hitting these. So this is going to show some good color, and it does look just like what I'm looking at in my camera here. As you can see, the Barnwood is more of a golden undertone, where the Lumberjack is more of an amber undertone. So when you hold them up like this, there's a pretty significant difference. Now I'm going to try to carry one of these planks over and lay them flat on the floor, because sometimes the floor perspective can make a difference in what you see. So here goes the Barnwood right next to the Lumberjack Pine on the floor. Let's see how that looks. I'll get a close-up. Sorry for the shadow there. So that gives you a pretty good close-up on that. If you like both of these and you're kind of torn in between, you may want to consider the Appalachian pine, because it has the amber tones as well as the brown undertones. It also has a little bit of a powder blue touch in there. That may or may not work for your decor, but it does give you another pine option. And you can see those next to each other right here. And how does that compare with the Barnwood? I will go ahead and put that in between. And you can see how the Barnwood color really picks up out of this Lumberjack here. So see, we've got this color right here, picks up the tones here, colors here, pick up the tones over here. So yeah. If you're still deciding, you may want to go ahead and get some samples. Again, we're comparing the Lumberjack pine along with the Barnwood, which I have a bigger display right here. Barnwood. And then the Appalachian. Hope this helps you guys. Thank you.